guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your resume to LinkedIn in your mobile device. So let's open LinkedIn and let's go to profile. In profile, click this edit button. Here you can see upload, media upload, but actually this feature is not available in this application. Like I'll show you, just 1 minute. Let's go to download. See here, this PDF and Word files are not visible. Actually this feature is till now not available in mobile device. So what we'll do, we'll go to Google Chrome. Let's go to LinkedIn. Make your screen desktop site. Here click on your profile image. On the right side you can see this edit button, tap there. Now on the bottom you can see upload, tap there. Browse the file. Resume. It's uploading. Keep some description if you want. Okay, and when you are done, click apply, and your resume is already uploaded and you can see here. Then click save. You are done. So if someone want to download your resume, can download from your profile. So that's all guys. Likewise you can upload your resume to LinkedIn. So thanks for watching this video guys. See you in the next video.